What about the main mistakes that most of Amazon sellers do? Today we will cover the main things where you could waste your money, you are not ranking your keywords, and how you could avoid all these things. Let's start from the beginning. On the first thing that we will see and cover according to all our edits that we perform for the 7 and 9 figures brands, we see that a lot of sellers avoid structure. Avoid structure inside their PPC campaigns. For example, the semantic course without any understanding what is the top keywords, what is the mid keywords, what about the low keywords. They never separate them, They have a structure with the broad, exact phrase, and that is huge mistake. Why? We see that this structure couldn't be ranked inside the Amazon, and you should avoid it. And the first point how to do that is the ratio between the organic results and PPC results, right? So you should absolutely understand and measure that. If you have 1 organic sales and 2 PPC, that is not a good picture. You should have around 3-4 organic sales and 1 from the PPC side. That will be okay. That will be something when you see and feel that you are growing your brand. The next one is the number of the keywords that you have inside your PPC campaigns. Yes, most of the sellers, they generate most amount of the sales inside their PPC from 10, 5, maybe 20 keywords, but that is not so good. If you have the same amount for 1 ASIN, you should absolutely start searching and adding more and more keywords, long-term keywords, mid keywords, and check your search term reports. You have a bunch of different keywords that could be added. From this amount, you will also influence into your ranking. You will have a chance to find more opportunities to grow your brand. The next point is the high bids. Yes, most of the sellers, they think that on the beginning you should spend more, you will have a huge haircut and you will get more sales. No, that is not true. Right now, Amazon is all about the relevancy. Amazon is all about how you are relevant according to the specific search term that people try to find and what are you promoting, what you want them to look at, right? What about your listings? Do you have these specific keywords around that? Yes or no? So high bids, it's only one of the indicators and one of the metrics that should be inside your settings, but not the main. It's one of them. And the last point here is no optimization. Yes, most of the sellers, they think that, okay, I have the software do some optimization and it is fine. Unfortunately, no, because the just automatically bid adjustments, it's not only one thing that you should do. You should work with the placements, you should have a chance to understand, have all the structures like the ad groups, have the keywords, have the new keywords working. What about the auto campaigns? What about the bids inside? How all this system working together? Why you have bad results when your competitors do the lightning deals? Why you have a bad results if your competitors decrease the price or anything else? So the optimization, it's not only about the bids. Optimization, it's not only the work when you're working according to the ACOS or TACOS, yes, all Amazon sellers think. It's only the way when you have a chance to increase your organic sales with the help of the tools as the PPC or DSP or the way attractiveness of the additional sales to your listings. If you will have a chance to figure it out how to work with that, you will do the optimization on daily, weekly and monthly basis. But before that, be sure that you have a good structure, good amount of keywords, you have your semantic core as the ongoing process, and here we go. That will be the best strategy to follow. So please check the article below in descriptions, subscribe to our channel, like this video and provide us with your comments.